Welcome to GemsEduplay. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Longview Public Library Summer Reading Program 2020 Math Challenge Week 5 Cosplay.
What costume do you gonna make today?
My favorite characters are Piggie and Gerald. Piggie and Gerald. Hi, I'm Piggie. Hi, me Gerald.
Okay, what costume we gonna make?
Piggie and Gerald.
Is it your favorite book character?
Yes.
What we need today? Fabrics, glue, and scissors, and measuring tape, and marker maybe. I don't know. Let's try this with this first. Gerald first. What color is Gerald?
Gray.
Yeah, let's see. Open the fabric.
Oh,
And then
wow.
let's see. Let's see. Measure Jaden's head. Yeah, like this. I never saw or do this. I just guess. Okay, but this head is okay.
That is super tiny. That is super tiny.
Marker here.
That is super
And then
tiny.
I'm gonna draw just this way. We're gonna glue it a bigger way, so a little bigger. This part's gonna be like this way. And we need a side. So we need a two side, right?
Yeah.
Let's see this part. Measure. Okay, let's and how we're gonna cut. Then we're gonna have to make a long line for.
Let's see how long it is.
So we need to fold half.
Wow.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's see.
What?
Yeah, like that. Gems. Okay, let's do Piggie.
I can do it that way.
Let's see. Let's make Jaden's first. All the way around it here.
Up the way around it. Up the way around it. Up the way around. Up the way around. Up the way around. Up the way around.
Come on.
I don't know what's going to happen.
This way. Let's go. This way. Let's put it here. The end of the way. Good job. Good job. There. I don't want to do it on you, so let's see. I'm holding my phone like this, okay? Ready? Ready? Okay. See.
Hi.
Let's make ears and both lines. Let's using one of those. His ears stay like that. What do you think? Can we go on it?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's gonna work like that? You think? Maybe. Yeah, and then how about Piggie's this one is Piggie's must be this one too. Circle. Oh, good. I bought this at just craft store. $1. What? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see this one. So how do you want to put that here? Like this here?
I am
And the one on it. You put on it, okay? This way. And how about eyes? Let's get eyes. This way, Gemma. Is that okay? This way. So Gemma, you have to do. Where do you want to put eyes on? Right. Put eyes here. Put the glass here. Gerald, where's my glass? Okay. How do you want to put it here? Is that okay? Okay, let's see. Gerald, the eyes. Like Gerald. Let's see.
We are in a book by Mo Willems. Thank you.
Hmm? Piggy,
Yes, Gerald?
I think someone is looking at us.
I colored out. Someone is looking at us.
Who is looking at us? A monster?
No, it is a reader. A reader is reading us.
How is a reader reading us?
The reader is reading these word bubbles. We are in a book.
We're in a book? That is so cool! We are in a book.
We are in a book. We are being read.
We are being read.
Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the reader say a word.
You can make the reader say a word?
I can. If the reader reads out loud.
That is a good idea. That is a funny idea.
Here I go. Banana.
Did you hear that? The reader said, banana. The reader said it again. Oh, banana. That's so funny.
Do you want a turn before the book ends?
Ends? The book ends?
Yes, all books end.
When will the book end?
I will look. Page 57. Oh.
Page 57? It is page 46 now. Eek! Now it is page 47. This book is going too fast. I have more to give. More words, more jokes, more bananas. I just want to be read.
I have a good idea.
That is a good idea. Hello, will you please read us again? I hope this works.
Me too. Gerald, do you know? What? We are in GemsEduplay. I love it. Yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching Piggie Gerald Eduplay.